As mentioned in the last video, playing football, we say
踢足球，踢足球，
in Hong Kong, we also say
踢波，踢波，波，
originally means wave, like water wave. You may know why we speak ball as
波，
in Cantonese, for ball's sound is like.
波，
You can find some other similar examples in Hong Kong's Cantonese. Therefore, playing other ball games, we can simply say
打波，打波，
playing martial arts, like kung fu, karate, fencing or boxing, we can say
打功夫，打空手道，打劍擊，打拳擊，
respectively. Other sports, we can use the verb
玩，
to say playing,
玩，
means play for fun. For example, surfing, we say
玩滑浪，玩滑浪，
actually we can simply say
滑浪，滑浪，
for
滑，
is a verb. Other than playing, how to say watching or learning sports? You can use the character
睇，睇，
to say seeing or watching, and the character
學，學，
to say learning. For example, watching a football game, we say
睇波，睇波，
learning how to swim, we say
學游水，學游水。
你啱啱喺邊度返嚟啊？
我喺游泳池返嚟啊！
點解你之前唔叫埋我去啊？
我以為你淨係鍾意跑步添，你都鍾意游水㗎。
梗係啦，
咁好啊，下次去游水前叫埋你啊！
你啱啱喺邊度返嚟啊？
我喺游泳池返嚟啊！
點解你之前唔叫埋我去啊？
我以為你淨係鍾意跑步添，你都鍾意游水㗎。
梗係啦，
咁好啊，下次去游水前叫埋你啊！
你禮拜六有冇去睇足球比賽啊？
冇啊，我唔得閒啊。
你錯過咗嗰場精彩嘅比賽啊？
真定假啊？咁邊隊贏啊？
我哋學校咯，佢哋踢得真係好啊！
真係衰啊！嗰陣我仲係忙緊功課，真係好想去㗎。
係啦，你應該去啊，真係好精彩啊
咁賽果係點啊
！5-4，
哇，好接近喎！
就因為咁，所以咪緊張咯。
希望下次比賽可以去到啦。
你禮拜六有冇去睇足球比賽啊？
冇啊，我唔得閒啊。
你錯過咗嗰場精彩嘅比賽啊？
真定假啊？咁邊隊贏啊？
我哋學校咯，佢哋踢得真係好啊！
真係衰啊！嗰陣我仲係忙緊功課，真係好想去㗎。
係啦，你應該去啊，真係好精彩啊！
咁賽果係點啊
5-4，
哇，好接近喎！
就因為咁，所以咪緊張咯。
希望下次比賽可以去到啦。